What is up, guys? Welcome back to Unboxing with Scott, coming to you today from the basement of a parking garage, where today I'm going to show you how to unbox a Casio calculator watch. Now, if you're a watch guy like me, you've seen these guys around, you know what they do, you know what they're capable of, but you've probably never seen one unboxed. So today, before we get started, we're going to take a look at the packaging, and one thing I like, on the front of the box here, you've got this window, so you can see inside and see the product, and see that there's more cardboard in there. Great, gives you a great view of the product. You got your model number and your barcode up here, and you got your Casio logo on the side here, and also on this side. You know, you want to make sure everyone knows it's a Casio, because that's some fashionable stuff. On the bottom here, another little window. I'm guessing this one's for a barcode if it was in a store. I actually bought this one online, so I guess they covered that up. So that's everything on the box here. Let's go ahead and open it up. And inside you've got Alright, so it's a little pedestal here with your watch all wrapped up. And you can see in the side here it's got an instruction booklet. Now these booklets are really thick, a lot of instructions, because these watches are actually really capable. Definitely, I'd say, more capable than modern Apple or Samsung smartwatches. Really, these can do a lot more. So to take the bag off, you can see it comes with the time already set by Casio. That's super handy. It's on this nice little display pedestal here with a rubber wristband to make sure it doesn't lose grip on your wrists. If we just slide that off, just a little bit here, got that grippy rubber. Okay, so here we go. It's got a screen protector on it. That's nice. That's what you want to see. You know, in the box, you don't know what could get in there and scratch that screen, but look at that, nice and shiny. Exactly what I wanted. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, guys. Alright, I'll see you next time.